In the given figure, OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. This shaded region I want the area. See here, area of this shaded region is very simple. Area of this quadrant minus area of this square. To calculate the area of the square, it is very simple. Area of the square is equal to side square, and side is how much? 20. So what I can say here is area of square if I want, what I'll do is area of square is equal to side square, and side is how much? Side given to us is 20. So this is 20 square, and children, this 20 square is equal to how much? 400 square meter. Square meter or square centimeter, whatever is given. If it is centimeter, then it has to be centimeter. If it is centimeter, depending upon the unit, if it is centimeter, then it has to be centimeter. Now you want the area of a quadrant. See here, this is angle theta, but you need to find out the radius. Radius is OB, that is not known to us, and since it is a square, all sides are equal. If this is 20 centimeter, this has to be 20 centimeter, because all sides of a square are equal. OA equal to OB, OA equal to AB is equal to how much? 20 centimeter, because all sides of a square are equal, and since it is a square, all angles are 90. So I'll apply Pythagoras theorem here. So what I'll do here, in right angled triangle OAB, what I'll do is OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, and that is equal to how much? 20 square plus 20 square. And children, 20 square plus 20 square is nothing but 400 plus 400, and 400 plus 400 is nothing but square root of 800, and square root of 800 means what? 400 into 2. So that is equal to 20 root 2. What is this 20 root 2? 20 root 2 centimeter is the 20 root 2 centimeter is the radius of this sector. Now I want the area of sector. If I want area of sector, then what I'll have to do is area of sector is equal to, you know the formula very well, pi r squared theta by 360, pi r squared theta by 360, and already he has told us to take pi is equal to 3.14. So what I'll do here is, in place of pi, I'll write here 3.14 multiplies by radius. Radius is 20 root 2 multiplied by 20 root 2, and since it's a right angle triangle, theta will be equal to 90 by 360. 90 by 360. So this, if you simplify, see here, I'll try the easiest way to simplify. 0 cancels with 0 here, 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36 we will get. Again here you see 2 tens are 20, I can say here. Here again I can say 2 tens are 20, and this 4 cancels. So finally what I get here is 3.14 multiplied by 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is, children, 100, multiplied by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 303.14 into 100 is 314, multiplied by 2, it is 628 square centimeter. So what is this 628 square centimeter? This is the area of the quadrant, and area of the quadrant minus area of the square will give us the area of shaded region. So what I want here is, I want area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is 628 minus area of square, that is 400. So finally what I get is 228 square centimeter is the area of the shaded region. So area of quadrant minus area of square. What did I do, children? Just try to understand here. Since it's a square, I have calculated the area of a square using the formula side square. Since I don't know the radius of this sector quadrant, what I did is this square plus this square will be equal to the diagonal of the square becomes the radius of the sector. So I have calculated the radius of the sector, then area of the sector is calculated. From the area of the sector, area of the square is deducted, and we will get the area of shaded region. The next question says, in the figure, AB and CD are arcs of two concentric circles of radius 7 cm and 14 cm. Find the area of shaded region. If I want the area of shaded region, see here, area of shaded region will be equal to area of, here there are two sectors actually, two circles are drawn. One circle is with radius 7 cm, another circle is with the radius 21 cm. So what I will do is, small r represents the radius of smaller circle, capital R represents the radius of bigger circle. So if I had to, and central angle is same here. So what I will do here directly is area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to area of big sector, area of big sector minus area of small sector, area of small sector. So if I do that, what is that I am going to get? Let us see. Area of big sector, let us take the radius as r, I have told you already. So pi r squared theta upon 360 minus pi small r squared theta upon 360. So if I take here pi common, theta by 360 common, then what remains in the bracket is radius square minus radius square. So pi is equal to 22 by 7, theta you know it's already given to us, it is 30 by 360, and r square means 21 square minus 7 square. You need not multiply or you did not simplify it. See, wherever easily it is possible you cancel it. 0 0 cancels here, 3 1s are 3 cancels here, 3 12s are 36 can be cancelled, 2 11s are 22 is there, 2 6s are 12 can be cancelled. So what remains here is 11 by 7 into, this is a squared minus b squared, and a squared minus b squared is, children, a plus b, यानी 21 plus 7, and a minus b, यानी 21 minus 7, and this of course 6 is there in the denominator. So this if you simplify, children, 11 by 7 multiplied by 28 into 14. See, nowhere I am trying to complicate the things. As far as possible I am trying to avoid lengthy calculations. बड़ा calculations में कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि उसको कम करूँ. तो ये डिवाइडेड बाय 6 है, तो आप देखिए 7 1s are 7 होगा, 7 4s are 28 होगा. फिर अगर कैंसिल होता है तो उसको कीजिए आप, 2 3s are 6 होगा और 2 7s are कितना होगा, 14 होगा. तो ये होगा 11 इंटू 28, 11 इंटू 4 44 होगा, 44 इंटू 7 आप करोगे तो 7 4s are 28 होगा, अगेन कैरी 2, 7 4s are 28 प्लस 2 होगा 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सिंपल है. 11 4s are 44, 44 इंटू 7 करोगे तो 7 4s are 28 कैरी 2, 7 4s are 28 प्लस 2 is 30. So 308 by 3 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded region. So area of the outer sector minus area of the inner sector. Sometimes what children do is they try to calculate the two areas separately, but in that case this calculation becomes very tedious. Here since theta is same and pi is also same, I think it is better to directly use this method by taking common factors and all, so that you can avoid the time extra time that is used in separate calculations.